Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.